Hello and welcome to my channel. In this video we will see joins in a SQL Server. So joins are used for retrieving the data from more than one table at a time. So we can apply the multiple conditions while using a joins, and in that we have two mainly types, that is called a logical joins and a physical joins. In logical joins we have joins like a inner join, outer join. In outer join again we have a join that is a left join, right join and a full outer join, and we have another join that is called a self join, cross join and a natural join. Here we will see how joins will works and how to calculate the count of inner join, left joins and other joins as well. So before moving further, the most important thing that you need to understand while using a joins, we have two situations here. The first is that while giving interviews, and the another while using in a real project. So the first thing that in an interview, the interview will give two tables that is called a table A and table B, and they will give us some sample values on both the tables, and they will ask for to count the inner join, left join, right join and a full join. So here you need to find the count manually. So we can't use a SQL Server for that. Okay, so we will see the how we can apply or how we can count the manual as well in this example. In another situation, you already know the count of join, but you need to think on which join you want to apply to get that count. So let's discuss one example here. So we are getting a data in a files, and that files are located in one folder. So for that we have a two tables that is called a master log and a log table. Okay, so now you need to process only those files that are not processed. So in a master log table we have a data like till date how many files we have processed, and the details of that files we have already stored in a master log. So the log table will work when the store procedure will run, then it will it will read the files from that particular folder. So in that folder we have the files that we have processed as well and we have not processed as well. So with the help of that join, you need to find out the files are already processed, so we need to join on that two table that is called a log table and a master log table. Okay, so here we'll delete with the help of inner join. So already you know that, so just we want to process today's date only file. So means you know that the count of that files only one file, and that is a today's file. So you need to delete all the files from till yesterday or from till today back dates. Okay, so here is another situation. Okay, so now we will see the structures of inner join and the definition how joins will works in a paint here. Okay, so let's move there. So here we will see the first join we have, that is the inner join. Okay, so we'll draw the structure for a better understanding. So just we will get one circle here and we'll draw the structure for the inner join. So we have another, so we have a table A and we have a table B. Okay, yeah, so we'll give a naming convention here. So that is we have a table A and here we have a table B. So the inner join means we are getting or retrieving only the data that are matching from both the tables, or if we have another table, that is from another tables as well. Okay, so now I want to get only the matching data, so just I will fill the color here. Okay, so we are getting only the count from both the tables that are matching, means that are common here. Okay, so that is called a inner join here. Okay, so now we will see the next join that is called a left join. So for that also we will draw the same structure here. So again we have a two tables that is called a table A and we have a table B. So again we'll get the common records as well here. Okay, so now we'll apply the naming convention here. So we have a table A and we have a table B here. So the left join means we are getting or retrieving the matching records from both the tables as well as remaining records from left table. So here we are considering our A table is a left table. So we are getting, we are retrieving the remaining records from the left table as well and matching records from both the tables as well. So here we'll apply the color. Okay, so these are the remaining records from left tables that are not matching with the right table, and these are our only matching records. So that is the inner join. So it is a combination of inner join plus remaining records, that is called a left join here. Okay, so now we'll go for the right join here. Okay, so for that we'll again draw the table A and table B here. Okay, so now we'll fill the color here. So the right join means we have a remaining records from right table, so that is we have a B table here, and the matching records from both the tables means these records. So just we'll fill the color here now. So these are the matching records and these are the remaining records from right table here. So that is called a right join. Also we will give the numbering here as well. So now we'll go for the next, that is a full join here. Okay, so for that we'll draw the circles again here. So now this time we'll use a different color here. So this is a matching records, and now we have these are the remaining records from left table and these are a remaining records from right table. So we have a, so this is our left table, so we are just applying here A, and this is our B table. So we have a B table here. Okay, so just I will mention here. This is the inner join, this is the left join, this is the right join, and we have the next one, that is a full join. Also we have a self join, natural join and a cross join. So we will see in a SQL Server in a detail. Okay, yeah. So now we'll go for the Excel to how to calculate the joins manually that the joins are asking in interviews. Okay, yeah, let's move to the Excel. So here we are able to see we have a two tables, that is called a table A and table B. In both the tables we have a 5 records. Okay, so now here first we will find the inner join count here. Okay, so the first record from table A will match or will compare with the table B each and every records. Okay, so the first we have the in a table we have first record, that is a 1 here, so we'll compare with table B for each and every record. So and we'll apply the color here as well for a better understanding. Okay, so here we have a two tables here, table A and table B, and now we need to calculate how to find the count of inner join, left join, right join and a full join. Okay, so in a table A we have 5 records and in table B also we have 5 records. So while finding the count or while applying the joins, we need to apply the each and every records from table A will compare each and every records of table B here. Also we'll apply the color here for a better understanding. So now we'll start. So the first value of table A we have, that is a 1 here. Okay, so the 1 will compare with the 2, that is the first record of table B. So it's matching? No, it's not matching. So we'll go for the next record. So 1, again we have 1 here. So now we have 1 count here, that is a 1 and 1. So just we'll copy this one and we'll paste here, and we have a inner join here. So just I will mention here, that is a inner join. Okay, so now we are matching one records, means 1 with 1. So we in table we have 1 and in table B also we have 1. So we'll apply the color here as well. So this one is matching with this one. Okay, so now we'll go for the one with the third record from table B here. So 1 is with the 0, it's not matching. 1 to 6 not, 1 to null not matching. So null means we have a unavailable, the value is not available here. Okay, so but we are counting the null value as a remaining record. So we will see in a left join here. Now we are calculating the inner join first. Okay, So we'll go to the sequence by sequence. So I will tell you why, because in the left join also already we have seen the definition, the combination of inner join and the remaining records from the left table. So for that left join also we need to find the count of inner join first. So that's why we'll go for the inner join first here. Okay. So the next record we have, that is called a 0. So 0 we are comparing with 2 here not matching, 1 not matching, 0 matching here. So we'll make here 0, and in table also B we have a 0 here. So we'll apply the different color here for, okay. So we have a 0 and this 0. So now we have a count of inner join till 2 here. Okay. So now we'll go for the next record, 0 with 6, no, 0 with null, no. So now we have a null here. So already I have told the null is a unavailable, means it's not a value, it's a blank. So it's not matching with the null as well and any other records as well. So for inner join we are not comparing the null value with any other values. Okay. So now we'll go for the next value, that is again we have a 0. So this time also we'll compare with 2, 1 and 0. Again we have a 0 here. So this time also we will take 1 here, that is again 0 with 0. So this 0 from table A is matching with the another 0, that is the same 0 already we have seen, but again it's matching here. Okay. So now this time we'll apply a different color here, that is a 0, and now this time we'll apply color in a side here for better understanding. Okay. So this 0 is matching with this 0. So we have a 3 counts here till. So now we don't have a 0 again here. So now we'll go for a 3, and we are not able to see the 3 in a table B here. So we are done with the count of inner join, and the count is 3 here. Okay. Yeah. So just we'll apply, make the border here, and just we'll make a count of inner join here. Three. Okay. So the same we'll copy here, and now we will see the count of left join here. So instead of inner join we are using a left here. So already we have seen the definition of left, that is a inner join and the remaining records from left table. So already we have find out the count of inner join. So we'll copy here and just we'll paste here. So already we are done with the inner join. Okay. So now just we want to see the remaining records from left table. So we have a 2 records that are remaining, means that are not matching with the table B here. So we have taken null here. So just we will copy null and we'll paste here. So on the right side by default it's a null, means this value are not available in a table B. So that's why we are taking a null value as well. So for null as well we have a null here, and the another records we have a 3 here. So for that as well, means 3 is also not available. So in a right table we are taking as a null here. So just we'll copy and paste here. So the total count of left join we have a 3 plus 2, that is a 5 here. Okay. So just we'll copy from here and we'll paste here. Instead of inner join we have a left join. Okay. So now we will see the count of right join here. So just we'll copy from here. Okay. Instead of left, just I am replacing with the right join here. Okay. So now the right join telling the matching records from both the tables and the remaining records from right table. Okay. So now we'll again copy the matching records, means we have inner join, that is called a 3 records here. Now we want to find out the remaining records from table B here. So if you will see here in a table A and B we have a same record, that is a 5 records, but now here in table B we have a 3 records as a remaining records. Why? Because the 2 zeros are in, we have a table A, so only 2 records are remaining, but in a table B only we have matching, that is a 2 records. Okay, means we have only 1 0 here. So that's why we have a 3 remaining records here, that is called a 2. So what we will do here, so first we will take the right, because we are applying a right join here. Okay, so just we'll copy the right remaining records and we'll copy here, and by default it will go to the left side, it will a null. Okay, so just we'll copy the null here. Okay, so the count of right join we have, that is called a 3 plus 3, that is a 6 here. Okay, so just we'll copy here and we'll mention the right join we have a 6 here. Okay, and the last we will calculate the full join here. Okay, so just we will copy the here and just will replace that with the full. Yeah, so the full join means we have a matching records from both the tables and remaining from left table as well as remaining from right tables as well. Okay, so for the full join we need not to calculate or we need not to go for the table A and table B, because already we have find out the matching records, that is called the inner join. Also we have the remaining records from left table, that is a 2 records here. So we'll copy these 2 records from here, and also we have find out the remaining records from right table. So these 3 records are remaining records from right table here. Okay, so just we will paste here. So we have count, that is a 3 plus 2 plus 3 here. Okay, so means we have a 8 counts here. Okay, so the total we have full count, that is a full join, is equal to we have a 8 records here. Okay, so in this video we have seen joins on 2 tables in Excel. In next video we will see joins on multiple tables in Excel and SQL as well. So thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe and press the bell icon to get a notification. See you in next video. Till then, keep learning, keep growing.